How to find like post on Instagram on the new update. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the profile tab, and in here just click on this three lines icon on the upper right corner of your screen. Now click on your activity among these additional options. In this page, proceed to interactions. This will show you 5 interactions that you can make on Instagram. So comments, likes, sticker responses, reviews, and not interested. What we want to see now is our like post. So tap on likes, and from here you can now see the like posts that you like using your account. You can click on this newest to oldest if you want to adjust the filter of your page. You can change it to oldest to newest, and you can also filter this by author as well as the store and the end date. So that is how to find like post on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.